When this utility came out to our offices originally, they just came out to learn about what we did and weren't aware of us at all. So we went through the process of our manufacturing and sourcing of materials as well as calibration. And they had no idea our operation existed there in Hemet, California, so it was a nice surprise for them. And then of course we offer engineering assistance. We have quite a few engineers on staff that are flow experts that can help apply different meters to different applications. So there was a lot of times that they were using meters in specific applications where they could have used our meter in that application, and they learned about our FPI product, our full profile insertion mag meter, and had deployed it in many different installations from smaller pipes and getting larger pipes. So this utility was looking at the cost of installation, and the FPI can be installed in about 2 or 3 hours and started up and running. Transit time meters or more invasive type meters could take 2 to 3 days, cutting pipes, welding flanges, and having a host of their employees as well as outside contractors. So the cost is reduced by sometimes 60 to 70% based on what type of meter they're putting in there. But not only that, they can apply an FPI and insert that and get it flowing without any interruption to their pipeline. So it was really optimal for them when obviously this municipality and this utility needs to still supply water to their customers. They don't have the luxury of being able to shut down a line for 2 to 3 days, cut the pipe, and install the meter. Whereas this gives them that option. It also gives them the ability to do it at a less expensive price, and it's a very accurate meter. It's basically a mag meter that goes into the line. It's a 0.5% meter, which rivals that of a full bore mag meter, especially in these large line sizes where a full bore mag meter would be nearly impossible to put there. An installation of an FPI is the same for a 4-inch or a 99-inch. It's just a matter that the pipe is that much longer. But once there's a pipe nipple welded to the pipe and it's been hot tapped, it's inserted through a ball valve and through our assembly system. And then we use our proprietary insertion tool to push the pipe or the meter into the pipe to the grounding of the point of the pipe. And then from that point it's wired to a converter and power applied and started up. The current installation is a 99-inch pipe, which is a huge pipe for a utility to flow water through. And there's very few flow technologies that can work in that type of environment and provide a 0.5% accuracy like the FPI can. Previously they were using ultrasonic transit time meters, and we're not having very good luck with them as far as their accuracy as well as the cost. They're really expensive. So the FPI provided an ultimate solution for that big, large line size piping. Utilities using this they sell water back and forth from one district to another, and the one district may have a meter on their side, but one utility may not have a meter on theirs. So it's basically making sure that allocation is exactly the same or within a margin of error. So it allows them to control their efficiency and know exactly how much money they're paying for the water. It was really helpful to have them give us this feedback to grow our understanding of what the municipality does and that district does with their water metering and how we could apply it to everyone else.